Hapadeng kejingkeman ke bakrau ke badai ke sengi burom ya ki khana ni ke Children's Day. Banken mau burom ya ke sengi kha jong Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ubadai Prime Minister baning kongkari India. UMLA ke nongpo uba Melbourne iem mentaka sengi ula IT sendon daga ying school bapaka Shaka Saint Anthony's Secondary School Kharpati Haribhoi bat kumjuru ke pan khana pajba bat ban shimentaru hakajing rakhel kemenlang bat ki khana pule jong kate ke school. Hakate ke sengi burom ya ki khana ni ke Children's Day. Lawan ru ban shimentalang da URR Klein CM Karat Kharpati Sister Anima CM Headmistress ke Saint Anthony's Secondary School Kharpati Ujayanta Mudai bat ka kong ibadahun Kharkongor kibalawan ban mi khmat na ke HDFC Bank bat kiwe ki riurang ba lembat ki kimi kikpa ki khana pule jong ka dega school kibalaya shimentaru haki jingroi bat ki jingshat ba pher ban le ekmen ya ka dega sngi buram ki khana ya ka dega ying school bat ka pain khana lashnaling ba ka scheme MLA bat kumjuru ka jingno asanyang jong ki babon ki riurang ba bat ki kenhun ba pher ban pendep ya ka hakarukom ke ba internet.
For proper education facilities and learning environments for the children, regardless of this socio-economical background. This is a day to make children feel special. Celebrating Children's Day on Nehru's birthday is a tribute to his commitment to child welfare and education. Quotation from Education of our former Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great." Formal education may open the door to opportunities, but it is what we do with those opportunities that determine our success in life. From the Sisters Administrative Team would like to extend our gratitude to all the donors. I am delighted to announce their contribution to the noble work of God.
Room. Ya kibala shna agadur ka be internet ke jing pemang gede ke berit kamdi ke behe nagaliang ke jonga bangio banirap am ta jong ni ke school dingi iu ke donru ka contribution nagaliang jong kiwe ki seng ki rurang ba ki riu simet na kiwe ki jakaru ki balano senyang na ka benta ke ni jing tu ke babha ngampoi berkat habang ngapoi ke ni jakang belum meneh pasdan bakal kelah tu kan ni kini ka compound kini ki jakasong kini ki kamera kelas ki bala penkha ngampoi berkat bahkan internet bahkan he adukan ni. I didn't expect really, sister, to be honest. I didn't expect that you said so many rooms are there because the amount that has been earmarked is a small amount. It is not a big amount. So this will encourage me, and I can't say no also from now on because there is a say, you deserve then demand. Be the one who will deserve to help, then the help will automatically come. Now you have shown your sincerity, your dedication, your contribution from yourself, from the congregation, from the well-wisher, who sponsor, who help, apart from the amount that I have earmarked for you, and we have seen. So automatically today, you didn't give me any memorandum, but without memorandum, I will promise you, I will continue to help you. That is my promise to you. Mendagasgi, abang iya kini kimati ya kibala persang nakaliang jong ke school i sister managing committee ginong hikai kibaladan ke bentaban pendep ya kini ngalong iba la sisya ka memorandum pim syam labu tenri haba piklam bu memorandum ro fa mangi iya kini kamba bahai ko pi fila le wat ke jing penmang ke berit ke mangang air undri kanni filasna filayarap na ladero ngamnang manong klem memorandum ru ngi habi ban kolar ndar sngi ba ngin bedeng ya giding era ke ke school ke jompi hagis ngi ki banwan dena mar kata kum kikimi gikpa kum kitu khot apo managing committee management barok bangin ya don kat pi haki por bladap laju era ketika extension mentas sekeni nang ta ki por ke banwan ro Tan bongam jukran ni kepot kepada persisen ai tu melak wan ai. Maka skim jungi ke MLA kam dei kepada he than adu kata-kata. Kabing hak ban sam hapo sispa arpo kendai tadi ki senong gidon hapo konong po konsumsi ni hak punya sam mar kendiat na ki skim beper ki bengi ki MLA gidon. Jadi nak kata kadang gidon dekat bathi namar bengi i ki kam bahai ko hi filale. Hapo ke jengelam jong i sister anima ngi i ke jengkela i sister shadap bagi sister ke badan kila tristom sisha ban ngam aratin manong na ki na pi trai sinong khamtam no do bobu surin bobu David kini rang ba adan hangner pi em ngijing kala kadan em na do buang sister. No, I told them since you come there's a lot of changes, so we are happy to see. But kani kini gajing sisha ngana ladero ngai bahabawan hangni i bagadan gajing kala na do shimti gajing kit kli gajing kit kya kikimi kikpa pila aban ong bat sister district pala gila aban ong ya kata ipha kata gile kata hable kata na ka benta kalwe jong gikhun giksiu gi jong phi hapan strict hapan pensitom hapan long discipline takadaw ke school golong gumni bat ko phi la ban penmi ro ya kiban apia ha ke SSLC HSLC lo sai sini kiban pendon burom ya ke school ge jong phi